Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
For today's project idea, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty card just in time for Valentine's Day. This project is going to have two layers. The outside layer is the foil poster paper from Cricut, and we are going to use the debossing tool, the fine point blade, as well as the Cricut pens. Switching them out is super easy. Just open up clamp B, put in your new tip, and close it again. Next is the inside card. I just switched out my mats and inserted the pen color that I like into clamp A. When you're using the pens, make sure you push down until you hear the click. Now that everything is cut out, just fold all of your hearts in half and put the two hearts together to make a finished card. Personalize the message inside for whatever you want to say to your Valentine.
Thanks for joining me for this episode of Cricut Time.
If you like this video,
remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Videos come out twice a week with project ideas and tutorials on how to do all things Cricut.